Mieri itatu thutha wa thirikari guthamia motungata ma urigitani wa Arutani kuma kuri kambuni ya MEHERIO nginyagia mubango-ini wa SHA, Arutani matigitwo na kiagago, riu makioya moko iguru makiuga SHA ndiraruta wira. Mateta maya meyumiritie thutha wa Alex Nyakeri, murutani uria wiriga kugia mutino wa barabara mwena wa Ngara guku Nairobi, kuhingiririo thibitari-ini wa Aga Khan, kiama kia arutani a thukuru cia secondary KUPPET, gikiuga arutani angi matanyihiire 15 mahingiririo thibitari-ini ngurani kuona SHA ndiraruta wira.
This is very unfortunate. A teacher from Busia is in Nairobi West Hospital. Detained, the body is detained because of SHA.
Number 3, pia amekwama kwa hospitali. Number 4, in total there are 14, but I'm having a list of 5 here with the details and I'll leave it to you.
Kuringana na kiama gia KUPPET, matanya mao marari ati SHA ni kurihira gicunji kiria kinene kia garama ya motungata ma urigitani wa Alex, kuona thengia ya arutani gukorwo mandikithitio na mubango wa SHA no makoragwo na thikimu yao ya motungata ma urigitani rungu rwa kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TAC.
We are talking about a medical cover which also is backed up by a universal cover. Are you seeing? Have a universal cover. The bill was 3.2 million. If they pay 1 million, where is the teacher who is already sick going to get the 2 million?
Tulipokuwa tunabaki na deni kama hili kwa ile insurance hapo awali, Teacher Service Commission na MEHERIO walikuwa wanasikizana kulipa kitu inaitwa ex gratia. Na mwalimu anatolewa watadaiana huko. Sisi hatukuwahi kuja hapa. Lakini wakati huu tumeambia Teacher Service Commission walipe ex gratia. Nao wamesema wanalipa nusu ya ile ambayo pesa inabaki.
Kiama giki oho gikiuga arutani makoretwo makihingiririo nja ya thibitari na kuimwo motungata ma urigitani, riu makiuga ni makungeirio wara na gutindikiririo kuingira rungu rwa mubango utararuta wira.
We have never had an agreement with SHA. We were pushed to that. We only have an agreement with Teacher Service Commission.
They told us we shall go in all hospitals, including Aga Khan. In fact, Aga Khan was an example. And they said there are 9,000 hospitals, including Nairobi Hospital. Now we are being chased away from Aga Khan. They are breaking their part of their bargain.
Arutani aya riu maheanite mukana wa thiku 7 kuri thirikari gucaria kihonia kia mateta mothe maria maheanitwo ni arutani. Kwaga uguo mathararie mathomo thukuru-ini ciothe guothe bururi-ini.
If they don't engage us within 7 days, you will see the mother of all demonstrations countrywide.
We are telling SHA, we either shape it, we are teachers. We are either going to shape SHA or we shape out.
Mashokia maitho thutha, riu marerira mubango wa hau kabere riria motungata mao ma urigitani makinyanagirio rungu rwa kambuni ya MEHERIO.
We rather go back to MEHERIO. We rather go back to MEHERIO because we were not compelled to come to address press in hospital. We were not compelled. We rather go back there.
Kama SHA hawezi kudhibiti medical cover ya walimu, basi wawachane nayo. Na kama wawachane nayo, sisi tutatoka kule.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Wandiro.